Sony X90J BRAVIA XR TV. Our BRAVIA XR TV takes vision and sound to the next level with the ingenious cognitive processor XR. It understands how humans see and hear, providing a whole new experience that immerses you completely in the scene. Precise 4K picture, as perceived by the human eye. Enjoy picture quality that feels deep, natural and real. Our revolutionary processor uses human perspective analysis to cross-analyze and optimize hundreds of thousands of elements in the blink of an eye. Combined with our full array LED panel, this technology creates ultra-realistic picture quality full of lifelike contrast. Turn any sound into a truly immersive experience. Advanced speaker technology with our cognitive processor XR turns any sound source into an immersive sound experience. Hear sound more clearly and accurately, whatever you're watching. Enjoy your entertainment in a whole new way, with sound and picture in perfect harmony. Turn any sound into a truly immersive experience. Advanced speaker technology with our cognitive processor XR turns any sound source into an immersive sound experience. Hear sound more clearly and accurately, whatever you're watching. Enjoy your entertainment in a whole new way, with sound and picture in perfect harmony. XR sound. Your TV is now more helpful than ever. Use your voice to easily find your favorite movies, shows and music. Ask Google to find a specific title, search by genre, or get personalized recommendations on what to watch by saying, "What should I watch?" Even get answers on screen, control smart home devices and more. Just press the Google Assistant button on the remote to get started. XR picture. A wide palette of naturally beautiful colors. See colors that are natural and beautiful to the human eye. The cognitive processor XR enables our unique display to access a wider palette and reproduce each color with the subtle differences seen in the real world. With extended hue and saturation, vivid shades, and realistic texture can be seen in the flowers. Even pale colors look realistic. XR color. Real-life depth with deep blacks and intense brightness. Feel breathtaking contrast, just as in real life. Our cognitive processor XR cross-analyzes data, enhancing picture quality in the same way that the human eye focuses for real-life color and depth. With XR Contrast Booster, bright areas are brighter and dark areas darker, no more details overwhelmed by shadow or lost in blown-out highlights. XR Contrast. Recreating lost texture, the intelligent way. Whatever the content or source, you'll enjoy entertainment close to 4K resolution with XR 4K upscaling. Our cognitive processor XR accesses a vast amount of data, intelligently recreating lost textures and detail for real-world pictures. See details such as naturally defined animal fur and sharply outlined rock. Intelligent motion processing for fast-moving, blur-free scenes. Watching sports and fast-moving movies just got a whole lot better. Our cognitive processor XR with XR Motion Clarity cross-analyzes data to ensure action stays smooth, bright, and clear. Sound from the screen, perfectly matching action. For an audio experience that matches how we sense the world, XR Sound Position brings you the reality of sound behind the picture. With sound positioning tweeters on this BRAVIA XR full array LED TV, sound follows the action on screen for a truly immersive experience. All your entertainment upscale to 3D surround sound. With BRAVIA XR, everything you watch gets the true surround sound treatment. XR Surround creates surround sound from the sides and vertically so you can experience 3D audio without the need for in-ceiling or up-firing speakers. Voice Zoom 2 enhances voices for clearer dialogue. Hear TV dialogue more clearly without turning up the volume. Even if speech is difficult to hear, Voice Zoom 2 detects the type of voice, analyzes it and enhances its clarity. Supersize your smartphone favorites. Quickly and easily enjoy your favorite videos, photos, games, and more from your iOS or Android devices on the big screen. Control all your devices with one smart remote. All your connected devices can be controlled with our Smart Commander. One button access to video on-demand services brings shows and movies into your room in seconds. Beautiful minimalist design that maximizes entertainment. Our minimalist design maximizes the screen and minimizes the bezel so you stay focused on what's important, the picture. It's a TV designed for immersive sound too, whether positioned on a stand or mounted on a wall. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.